Bum, ba-dum, dum, 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 dum. Hey, I'm Kamal. How you guys doing? This is the Rejoinder Analyst, and we are about to go over the Click Hurricane. Look, most of y'all don't know what a Click is. The Bay Area shit, baby. E40, be legit. Had two other members in there. One fire ass MC, I forget her freaking name. Nope, I'm about to get her name right now, yo. What's her name? Nope. Sugar T. How can I forget that? Boom, the Click. Woo, they from Vallejo, California. Ba. Hey, Bay Area shit, we in this bitch. Wow, this is old school shit, yo. Man, E40 was like, but then the hippopotamus. I'm not this. This. But before we gonna get into that though, woo, NBA's fucking back, baby. Watching the basketballs, you feel me? LeBron out there balling it up. Get buckets. You feel me? That Clipper-Laker game, really fucking good game. Incredible game. Also, it's like the fight for the A seed in the West getting real tight. I mean, Pelicans, Portland, the Kings, Memphis. Ooh, I want Memphis to get in it though, cause Ja Morant is a fucking baller. Yam on your bitch. He would do that every fucking time if he can. Yammers. Woo. In the East though, we got young Giannis with the Buccaneers. Got the Celtics. Personally, I think is going to be in the finals is the Lakers Celtics. I could be wrong, but that's what I think is going to be in the finals. And hey man, you know, I'm fucking sad still. You know, my fucking Warriors ain't in it, but we resting. All right. We gonna wait it. We waiting a year. You feel me? We gonna come back with a vengeance. Mark my fucking words. 2020, August fucking 3rd, 4th, whatever day this shit is. Mark my words. We coming back with a vengeance next year. Bow, about to be getting buckets on your bitch. Woo! Now I'm just glad basketball is back. I think this shit's gonna work because it's a bubble. Everybody's in the bubble. If you go outside the bubble, you get shunned, you get shamed. Look at how Lou Williams is going. He went to go get the wings at Magic City. I heard them wings is fire though, man. I heard they really good. But I mean, a lot of people talking shit about them. And it was like, bro, come on, bro. You had to go get the wings and shit. Couldn't just wait. Could just have them just fucking Uber Eats it or fucking Postmate the shit. But nah, I couldn't though. Oh well. But also, speaking of kind of sports related, I have my bruh. His name is Tommy Alexander, aka Turk. This is the shirt I'm wearing. TA Fitness. If you are in San Diego and you need a personal trainer to get that fucking body right, get your fat ass in shape, or get your skinny ass some muscles, so you could be looking right for the fucking summer, spring, winter, and fall, hit up my bruh, Tommy, a.k.a. Turk. His company name is TA Fitness. Go look that shit on IG. TA Fitness. I think it's 85 at the end, but as soon as you type in TA Fitness, you are going to find him. He got his shirts. His shirts feel really good. They fucking popping. The logo is solid, bro. And he really is a good personal trainer, man. He'll whip that ass into shape. But anyway, we're about to get into the Click Hurricane. Let's get into it.
What can I do for you, Playboy? Yeah, man. Let me get some of that hurricane. That's just I mean, you be like sluttering and whatnot. Next thing you know, you don't even know how you got out. I mean, the situation is so serious, Playboy. I mean, this here remind me of Pruno or something like that. You dig what I say? But anyway, I'm so tall. Look like my eyes been stitched together with stitches. I'm looking like these to get your garbage done with crickets. But you know me, the life of the pot is slurred. Can't have though. Too much of me, baby. Fight your folks and Dr. Jekyll. Like the other day, I got too many swallows. Had them blues acting bad at the club with them houses. Having real problems trying to get it. Well, oh well, one cup of me, I have your phone stay. I wake up in the morning and I'm separated. In the bed with my homies and I show hate. Granted, he be tripping cause they don't disrespect them. That fool wrong, man, that fool gets dumb. I can't wait until they fix me. I'm going in their mouth, down their throat, until the kidneys. Hurricanes having young players seeing things. Courage juice, watch when I get loose. Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. I'm swerving, sipping on a player mix. Trip, it's time to swim from another twist. Swap to the snow. Oh, it's 151. Got to catch Charlie before he closed. Too many kids at the studio that ain't lit. I like to bring out the brick, hit the nasty switch. Studio tone, pop on that beat, that bitty roll. Got hot seats sweating all. That hurricane at the window, don't get him in the play it fall. Creepy eyes on the sneaky ride. Boom, straight jagger, make them think I'm hella raw. Nah, in a weedy can't be greedy, gotta stay strong. But if I get broken off, then damn, I can't go wrong. This trick choose to make a fool fall on his face. Worse than that bumpy face, yeah, with no chase. Hurricane.
Hey, Giggy! We was always gigging back in, you feel me? I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Strong enough to start an engine, man. Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. Lighting up the Humboldt County outdoor greens. Me and my homies at the bar sing. Walking through the joint on stumble, they bumping the bumble. Face like I hate the taste, but now I'm humble. Whisper to a girl, baby, I've been watching you. But when I'm private, everything looking cute. So if you get the boot when my hand goes sober, don't even trip, get your things out my Range Rover. Hot lady, the Spanish fly 90 feet. And push her to go both ways, her and her best friend. It's locked down in your player partner, don't be caring. Who ride with my cousin Victor Baron? Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Strong enough to start an engine, man. And that's what we do for the 1990 win. 1990, we out just out. Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. Hurricane, but you can call me Slurricane. Slurricane, strong enough to start an engine, man. Hurricane.
Boy, that's all right. Man, so slap that back in middle school. Hurricane, but you can call me Hurricane. Yeah. Bay Area shit. That's old school bass shit too, baby. Ooh, the click, baby. Yeah. Man, that video. I mean, it was simple. It was basically that we went to the bar, got the hurricane drinking, getting lit. Then they had the scene where they were rapping their performance shots. And then you just had the shots where they were in the bar and getting fucked up. That was it. It's really promoting the hurricane drink. See, E40 in the clip, they were always thinking about selling alcohol even way back in the day. I know it now. See, I have the mental awareness to know that shit. Back then when I was a little kid, didn't understand it. But now I get it. Woo! Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Look it. Once again, I'm going to say this again. The homie, Tommy Alexander, a.k.a. Turk. Fitness trainer, one of the best out here in San Diego. If you come out here to San Diego and you need a trainer to whip your fat ass into shape or your skinny ass some fucking meat on your bones and get some muscles, hit up TA Fitness. I believe there's 85 at the end, but once you type in TA Fitness, you will know. You're going to see the fucking logo. You see it. Bow. Once again, that was the click. Bam. The description, the links. Shit, am I on Slurricane? Goddamn, I'm sounding drunk as hell right now. Look it, the link to the video and to the album is going to be in the description below. Most of y'all probably don't know, like, Be Legit and Sugar T. They were in the clique, but a lot of y'all know who E40 is. He the one constructed that shit. You feel me? Once again, that was the clique. Hurricane. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm Kamal, and this is the Rejoinder Analyst. And like the tubers say, like, share, comment, subscribe, and push that notification bell. Slurricane, but you can call me Hurricane. I'm out of here.